constructability methodology. So guys, see, we as a team, we are around 20 people in the team. Our main intention is to find out high level constructability concern. And what we will do, we will go through the guide words and we will try to evaluate if there is any major concern which can impact our schedule, which can impact our project cost, and the more above, which can impact HSE criteria. When we are going to evaluate, we will not go at method statement level. We will not go as per the JSA level. We will try to identify the major concern because we are in the feed phase, so that we can identify the recommendations and then we can implement the recommendation and we can hand over the appropriate information to EPC contractor. So what we are going to do, the objective is very clear that we are going to improve the construction safety. We are going to reduce and improve the construction schedule. And of course, we will try to identify any logistic concern. But although this is not a very intensive logistic project, this is the installation of S2S as well as tube point analyzer, but we will go for. So we will try to go for each and every objective one by one, and we will try to identify if there is a major gap. So we will take the narration and dictation in the proposed sheet. And since we have used this sheet many times, we will use the same sheet as earlier. Okay, so guys, if you see, yeah. So what we have done the pre-population of the sheet just to save the time of the people and the construction team. But we will go for each and every guide word one by one to understand if there is some gap, and if there is gap, then we will take a recommendation. Okay. So guys, let us go quickly one by one. There are many guide words are here in the column B. If you see sequence is here, then security is here, existing infrastructure is here, welfare arrangement is here. So there are almost 19 segments are there, and every section has got many guide words and prompts. So my request is, when we take a sequence and then we will go each and every guide word one by one, let us not worry about the layout, let us not worry about the interface, let us not worry about the layout, TSF facility. So when we discuss sequence, so let us stick with the sequence guide word. And if you have any question related to other section, please hold your question until we complete the other part of section, because your questions may be answered in the later stage in the later guide word. This is only my request. And second request is, please have active participation. Please stop me when you don't agree, and please allow only one meeting at one point of time so that we don't kill the time. Okay. So guys, any